What if I told you these stepping stones were built by a giant? For centuries, Irish folklore told of Finn MacCool, a giant who built this path to Scotland to fight his rival. According to legend, these stones were his stepping stones across the sea. But science reveals a different story. These columns were formed by volcanic activity 50 to 60 million years ago. As lava cooled rapidly, it contracted and fractured into these perfect hexagonal shapes. Some columns are so perfectly formed, they look machine-made. Local legends say if you find the giant's boot, you'll have good luck. Can science ever truly diminish the magic of a good story? Especially when nature creates such unbelievable art. Which story do you believe? Share your thoughts in the comments.